Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to properly secure the buckle strap on your ambulance mounted oxygen tank system, or OTS. So here we have the OTS system with the buckle strap in question pictured. You want to make sure these straps are secured tightly so that the cylinder doesn't fall out during transport, or when someone opens the compartment door, it doesn't fall out and cause them injury. So here you have the buckle strap, and the mistake most people make is trying to feed the strap through the front of the buckle here. This is incorrect. The teeth won't grab if you feed the strap through the front like this, and the cylinder will fall free, so don't do that. What you want to do is feed the strap up through the bottom of the buckle here, and then you're going to pull the strap out through the front of the buckle here. So let's go over that one more time with this quick video here. You're going to take your buckle, take your strap, and feed the strap up through the underside and out the front. Pull everything nice and tight. Check that it's secure, and you are good to go.